Hi, I'm Scott Burk, and I'd like to welcome you to the main forge. I want to show you one of my projects. This is a bottle opener. It's a pretty simple project, and I'd like to make one today so you can see what the whole procedure looks like. We're going to start with some 5/16 round stock. So I'm going to stick this in the fire, we'll warm it up, and we'll be started in a minute. Here's our metal. It's right now at about 2,500 degrees. And we're starting to take down a nice taper. We're going to use this for the first moves that we're doing. It's important to keep a good rhythm going. It's really important the angle of the hammer. Okay, we're just continuing on with this spiral that we're making here, which will give a nice little ornamental end to the handle. I'm often asked, what's the stuff that's chipping off the metal? And what it is fire scale. It's iron oxide, and it's where that iron is interacting with the air, and it, once it's cooled, it gives that black color that blacksmithing is known for. Okay, we're going to put a little water on the end because I want that to stay hard now so I can hit it and not bend that part of what I'm doing. Turn this around now, and I'll put it over here on my hardy, and we're going to set up to cut this. I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way through, and then break it. I only go 3/4 because I don't want my hammer to hit the hardy and ruin both my hammer and the hardy, and then we break it. Okay, now, a sharp edge, we're going to take that corner over, another section over, and we're going to flip this over. Get a little hook on the end there, a little bit of a back bend, so I have a little fulcrum corner to that, and we're looking pretty good. So that's going to go right in the water. You can spin that over and we'll see how quick that cools off. Okay, that's it. Different than other bottle openers, this goes over the top. And all you do is push down. It seems to work, so thanks for watching.